G'day from Poppy's Trains.
With July the 4th just gone, I thought I might just show off some of the American stuff I do have. There's the Pennsy G1, the only American loco I do have. Of course, it's too big for this layout, as with this great big Pennsylvanian boxcar. So they'll go back into boxes until I get somewhere better to run them. Here is some of the American rolling stock that I do have. And here is my collection of cabooses. I also have these large scale Christmas trains that I've yet to build a layout for. They're American theme, even though they're not quite right, but they'll do. I also have this rolling stock. It's labelled like American stuff, but yeah, not quite right. Also, I have this large loco and caboose. One of these days I've got a layout for them. Okay, well, that's it for now. Keep well, and I'll catch you on the next one.